So hello guys, I will tell you in this video that how to fix Windows 11 when it keeps starting. Step 1. Start with some preliminary fixes. You may need to try some more involved troubleshooting steps to get to the bottom of this problem. But before things get complicated, you should try these quick fixes to see if they solve the issues. Step 1. Check the wall outlet. If you are using a desktop, the constant restart may be due to faulty wall outlet. Fluctuations can cause random boots or if your computer does not get stable power. Try plugging the computer into a different outlet and see if it continues to reboot itself. Step 2. Disconnect the recently installed hardware. If the issues started right after you install a certain piece of hardware, that could be the problem. Remove it first and see if the problem persists. Step 3. Try a clean boot. When you perform a clean boot on your Windows PC, it can help you isolate third-party apps and program causing problems like random restarts. Step 3. Scan for virus. Random reboots can be sign of malware infection, especially if they are accompanied by other signs such as sluggish system performance and frequent app crashes. Try scanning your PC for malware to fix the issues. Step 3. Fix system file issues. Corrupt or missing system files can make your PC restart randomly. Luckily, Windows has tools like SFC and DISM that can help you fix them. Step 3. Use a system restore point. Manufactured system settings can cause random reboots. If you have configured your PC to use the system restore feature, fire up the most recent system restore point. This can return your computer to a perfectly working state and eliminate the problem. Step 3. Update your graphic driver. A faulty driver can conflict with important system setting on your PC, causing it to restart constantly. Your computer might stop doing that if you find a and replace the problematic driver. Step 5. Uninstall Windows updates. Did the random start after installing a Windows update as much as update help your computer? They can sometimes introduce problems if they contain bugs. So while waiting for Microsoft to fix those, try installing the problematic updates. Step 2. Turn off automatic restart. If you can't identify why your PC randomly restarts, you can try turning off the automatic restart feature. However, this should not be a long-term solution since it prevents your computer from rebooting in case of system failure, which can cause other issues in the long run. However, disabling the automatic restart feature can help your computer stay on long enough to try the rest of the troubleshooting steps. To disable automatic restart, press Win plus I to launch setting, then head to System About and click Advanced Setting Systems. In the related link section, in the System Properties window, select the Advanced tab and click Settings in the Startup and Recovery section. In the System Failure section, uncheck Automatically Restart and click OK to apply the change. After troubleshooting, remember to enable the automatic restart feature again since this will help alert you to future problems. Step 3. Ensure your computer isn't overheating. If your Windows 11 computer keeps restarting when playing a graphic intensive video game or when using design software, your hardware might be getting too hot. Most of the time, the CPU or GPU temperature gets too high and Windows has to restart the system to protect the hardware. Usually the hardware overheats when you run many apps on your computer and use a lot of its resources. You can check the CPU temperature and if it seems cool enough, take a look at the GPU temperature too. If you notice your hardware reaching high temperature as soon as you start your computer, you might have a faulty cooling system. In this case, you should take it to a professional service and have it fixed to avoid any permanent damage. Step 4. Stop overclocking your computer. Overclocking your computer pushes the RAM, CPU, or GPU hardware beyond its limit. While it may give you better overall performance, it will damage your computer and increase hardware temperature, especially if you haven't upgraded the cooling system. If your system randomly restarts, you should revert it to its original state by installing any overclocking software. If you don't want to upgrade your hardware, you might have to consider whether overclocking is worth it. Step 5. Check the power supply. A faulty power supply unit PSU incapable of providing a steady voltage can lead to random restarts. Even you are using uninterruptible power supply. Your computer may restart because of faulty UPS or battery. If you have installed RGB lights and they seem to flicker, it might be a sign to upgrade your computer power supply. As lights are easily influenced by voltage fluctuation, before change the power supply, take a look at its wiring to make sure a faulty wire isn't it the reason for Windows 11 starting randomly. Step 4, check for memory problems. If your